Today we are embarking on a road trip adventure from Vancouver to Kelowna with our baby and taking another step on expanding Skylar's travels. The last long drive that we've done with Skylar was just a 2-hour drive from Vancouver. But in this video, we're taking Skylar on a 4 to 5 hour drive to Kelowna, British Columbia. I'm ready for my Kelowna!
However, we're not going to be doing a straight up drive because that would be crazy with the baby. What we've done is we've plotted pit stops along the way so we can give Skylar and ourselves a little break. Hello! Good morning from a bright and beautiful day here in British Columbia. We are just doing our rounds picking out my dad because aside from our little family, we are also having my dad and Max's parents with us. So it's going to be one big family road trip. So unlike the last few videos where Mama and Papa always just ride with us, they chose to just ride with my dad, so to give him some company as well. And we get a little bit of space here in the car.
Everyone is so excited, but Skylar decided to fall asleep and take a nap just right now.
Well, I think that's for the better as well, because it's going to be a few minutes before the first stop. Let's go!
I just want to tell you that no, yeah. All of my friends say you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware.
So here's our first stop of the trip. This place isn't really that far from Metro Vancouver. It's about an hour drive, give or take, with the traffic. This place is called Abbotsford Highstreet, and we've chosen this place as the first stop because it has a lot of shops and restaurants and some good washrooms, which I think Max is already taking advantage of. But yeah, we just thought that we wouldn't want to stretch it too far for Skylar so she can take breaks along this road trip. And I think we're doing good so far. She's I think quite asleep. Or so I thought. Skylar, Mommy just went to the washroom, okay? She'll be back. This place is also very close to Highway 1, which is the highway that we're gonna be taking before the next stop. It's okay, it's okay. Okay. Stretch, huh? We will stretch, okay? Skylar's looking for Mommy.
Someone is awake! Hello, baby! What are you doing here?
I woke up, you weren't there.
You wanna go shopping? Shopping?
Sa patulog niya?
Sabi niya, hinanap ko to sa'yo dito, sabi niya.
Look for Mom. I'm ready for my Kelowna.
Skylar, we're not there yet.
Is Kelowna? I heard it's hot in Kelowna.
So, it looks like we're gonna be here for a while. Again?
I know. Well, it's a good thing that Skylar is still sleeping. So the last time that we went to Whistler, there was a complete stop like this and it took us more than 2 hours in the traffic with Skylar in the car.
No, I think that was more than 2 hours, like 4 hours that we were in the car.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so hopefully this isn't the same case. I guess when the weather is really good like this, people tend to go out, and then occasionally there are some car accidents, so hopefully we'll get to our destination on time.
Yeah, and safely as well.
Oh, I'm going. Looks like we're moving. That's a good sign. Fishing, maybe. Fishing. No. Hello. We're not there yet, but it's a stop. We can stretch a little bit. You wanna stretch a little bit?
Kiss me. Don't forget your hat.
Don't forget your hat, Skylar.
are we? Where are we, Skylar?
I like Skylar's hat. Good
Yeah,
find.
yeah, it's like a big umbrella for her.
You feel cool?
So for our next stop, it's more of a gas stop slash a bathroom break stop. We always stop by here whenever we drive to Kelowna, as some of you may know. So this place is called Silver Creek Travel Center and it's located here in Hope, BC.
That wiper was dirtier than our windshield.
Feel it in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right.
So I'm so happy to say that we have made it to our third stop of this drive. That was a pretty long one compared to the other two stops. It was about an hour and a half of a drive, but I think it was due to some of the slowdown in the Coquihala Highway due to construction. But the scenery during that drive was just absolutely beautiful. Sky! Someone is fresh!
Fresh baby!
So Merrit, BC is kind of like a small town within, I guess, the interior of British Columbia. And most of the time we just stop by here at Merrit whenever we go to Kelowna, just because it's on the way and is the main town when you're taking the Coquihala Highway when you're coming from Vancouver. Right now it's already 2 o'clock, so we're just having some lunch here at a Burger King here at Merrit, just because I think Max was craving some Burger King.
Hi, Skylar! Where are you today? It's a new place for you. So we have one more leg to go and it's about an hour and a half drive before we reach Kelowna. Skylar has been a really good baby. She's just sleeping all throughout the drive. And that's because we try to feed her in between the stops and change her nappy so that she will have a very nice nap in the car. I think she agrees.
Sorry, Skylar. We'll just buy you a stop though. Skylar, next stop, Kelowna. She's sleeping. Skylar, welcome to Kelowna.
Checking in.
So we just made it to Kelowna. Okay. So we just made it to Kelowna and we just left our parents back with Skylar for a bit because we needed to figure out this Airbnb. You know, with Airbnbs, there's always like a few different unique things that you have to do to get in. This is one of them.
Very exciting. It's very mysterious.
I think it's gonna be a good one. This is an actual resort.
I'm so tired. This hallway never ends.
Oh, common area. We have a pool table.
Are we there yet?
Still going.
Countdown. This one.
We have to punch in some code.
Do you know the combination for this? Oh, wow. Look how high the ceiling is.
I'm gonna say it. This is probably the biggest suite that we've booked so far.
I know.
From all of our travels, right?
Yeah. Skylar can scream as loud as she can. There's no doors in the master suite.
Wow.
Look at this view.
Okay. I guess that explains why there are no people in the swimming pool right now. It's raining.
It's raining. And that concludes the first part of our incredible journey from Vancouver to Kelowna with our little one. Getting this priceless family time while enjoying this beautiful place was definitely worth the 5-hour journey. Making the pit stops along the drive makes a big difference because you also get to appreciate the scenery on top of the rest. In our next video, we'll be exploring Kelowna with our family and immersing ourselves in the vibrant culture of this amazing city. So make sure to stay tuned and join us for the next exciting chapter of our family journey. Until next time!